Hello and welcome, I'm Tim and this is SV Paquita, and I'm talking to you from a very sad day in recent history. Yes, we finally got the microphones all figured out and the audio got good on the channel. Not good now, but hear my story. This morning I went and shot a video for you, and when I was transitioning from the dinghy coming over the side here in the bow, coming underneath the lifeline, somehow I think that the receiver part of the transmitter, the transmitter's here and the receiver that goes on my phone, I think it jumped right into the water. I can't find it anywhere. I didn't hear a splash. I looked in the dinghy. I'm hoping that we end up finding it in the dinghy and all is well, but I got a bad feeling it's gone. I've looked online and it looks like I have to buy the whole thing over again. I can't just buy the missing piece, but so be it. So that's a little sad. I've been trying to figure out if I can get one shipped to Amazon to a local drop box like I had done in Spain. Don't know exactly where we're going to be, when we're going to be, but I'm working on all that. So hopefully, and if that doesn't happen, I'm still hoping that my brother is going to come sailing with us in October. And if he does that, then I'll definitely have him bring a couple of those setups. But the next thing, I need help from you guys. Don't worry, I'm not asking for money. I do that on all the other videos. No, I need help from you. But this is specifically, there's a chance in a million that one of you out here fits this criteria. And you might have one or might have the other, but very few of you have two things that I need. The first thing is, well, we can eliminate most from the pack. I am looking for somebody with a 3D printer and who knows how to do all that AutoCAD stuff and all that. I have a relatively easy project, but you need the second part of this to make that project work. And that's a Mantis solar navigation light, what I would call a tricolor dinghy light. And it's made by Mantis. I had it on the back of the outboard. It worked great, and it has this is half of the locking pin that holds it in place. And while Runa was gallivanting with Paquita in the Bahamas, I think he didn't really get into it, so he kept kind of brushing it off when I was looking for details. But I can only fill in the blanks and figure that he must have had a drunk dinghy landing experience, because I guess somewhere in the dinghy something flipped over and the light busted off, and we only recovered half of the locking. This thing should be all the way around so that you put it in and you push it in place and it locks. And I need one, there's another piece that goes here. You can see those, I don't know if you can see those little tits that stick up there, but these things right here. Anyway, and then these hold it in place. Anyway, I need another, either the other side printed up or a whole thing printed up. And the only way you'd be able to do that is if you had a 3D printer and if you had this light. So if there's a chance in a million any of you fit that profile, you have the Mantis solar tricolor light, so you can get the piece and duplicate it for me. And if you and a printer, and if you could print that off, that'd be awesome. And then we figure out where I'd be, and maybe we could get you to ship it to me, and I'll pay for whatever it costs to get it done. Mantis, it's a great light. I love it. But without the other side of this, if I put it on the back of the motor, it's just going to fall into the water. So I've been kind of holding on to it. So it's not the end of the world, but it'd be really nice to have. So if one of you are out there that can hook me up, like I say, it probably doesn't happen, but it probably doesn't hurt to ask. Some of you guys are really good. I know my buddy Chief Keith, my old chief engineer on the tugboat, he was really good with AutoCAD and doing stuff with a 3D printer and all that, but he's not going to have the light, so I'm not going to ask him. So if any of you fit that, write me. You can write in the comments here, or even better yet, send me a note at timbatc@gmail.com. And the timbatc, it's all spelled out, the ATSEA, so it's not the @ sign. So Anyway, send me an email if this is something that you can do. That would be amazing. But anyway, until then, I will continue to make videos for you guys, but the audio you're gonna have to suffer through. I do have a selfie stick now. Look at this. At our last stop, they had 1 million people selling things in the back of the book, you know, where we were tied up there in town, and one of them was selling a selfie stick. So we got one, just so hopefully you won't be looking at my nostrils anymore. Hopefully. Perhaps this selfie stick will just allow me to lose the phone overboard, like I did with the microphones. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care, be safe, and as always, I'll see you on the one. Let me wait before I do that. I was gonna say, stop moving the camera around so much. Look at how beautiful the scenery is here. Incredible, not a breath of air. We're just idling. I just have the boat in, you know, I think it's not idling. It's at 1,000 RPM. Making water, charging batteries, just cruising about 3.5 knots, headed to our little destination. Hopefully we'll find a space and then call the Irish in, see if they're gonna get up at the crack of noon. All right, you guys take care, be safe, and as always, I'll see you on the